Part 1 Preliminary Section 1 to 4. Which declaration can be granted by civil court under Section 34 of Specific Relief Act? None of these. Under the Specific Relief Act, specific relief can be granted only for enforcing individual civil rights, which of the following is not correct regarding Section 6 of Specific Relief Act 1963? It would be necessary for plaintiff in such a case to prove the absolute title of the property is not correct. Which one is correct are? The period of limitation for filing a suit therein is 6 months. No suit against the government can be brought under the said section. The order, decree passed under the said section is immune from challenge by appeal as well as review. An instrument is not settlement under Specific Relief Act, whereby an interest in the property is devolved by a will. The word and expression used in Specific Relief Act but not defined in the Act have meaning as defined in the Indian Contract Act. Which section of SRA 1963 provides that a specific relief to be granted only for enforcing civil rights, not for enforcing penal law? Section 4. Find out the correct statement. Specific relief can be granted for enforcing individual civil right and not for enforcing penal laws. Specific relief under SRA 1963 can be granted for enforcing only individual civil rights. Specific relief can be granted for enforcing individual civil rights. A suit for possession of immovable property based on the title by the plaintiff who had been disposed of can be filed even beyond 6 months and up to a period of 12 years as provided in Article 65 of Limitation Act when deposition is of a person who is title holder of the immovable property. In Specific Relief Act, all other word and expression used but not defined, then their definition and meaning would be the same has been defined under Indian Contract Act. For the purpose of Specific Relief Act, the word settlement means an instrument including codicil or will, whereby the destination or devolution of successive interest in immovable property may disposed of or agree to be disposed of. Which of the statement about specific relief amendment act 2018 is correct? Will apply to the pending cases. Specific Relief Act 1963 is the product of Ninth Report of Law Commission of India on Specific Relief Act 1877. What is true of the Specific Relief Act? All of the above. It is a procedural law. It supplements the CPC. It is founded on English law. Specific Relief Act 1963 was enacted on year 13th December 1963. Specific relief is granted for enforcing individual civil rights. Under Specific Relief Act 1963, specific relief may be granted for enforcing individual civil right. SRA came into the operation on 1st March 1964. Enacted in 13 December 1963, enforced on 1st March 1964.